For number 48, we're going to rewrite it over here. So I have 2xy minus 2, y to the 4, over negative 2, over 3x to the negative 1 to the y times 4xy over 2x negative 1, y to the negative third to the power of 2. So first, remember, we have to start with distributing. So I have a negative 2 out here. I have to distribute that to everything inside. So I have 2 to the negative 2 now. I have x to the negative 2. I have y to the negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. And then y to the 4. Then I have distribute the negative 2 to the 3. 3 to the negative 2. X to the positive 2, because negative 1 times negative 2. And y to the negative 2. Then I have to do my other set. I have to distribute the positive 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So then that leaves me with 4 to the 2, x to the 2, y to the 2, over 2 to the 2, x to the negative 2, y to the negative 6. Next, I want to flip my negatives. So I'm going to mark everything that's negative that I'm going to have to flip to the other side. So on the first one, three to the negative 2 and 2 to the negative 2. So we're going to flip those to make them positive. Then on the bottom, I still have an x squared, so I'm keeping that. But on the top, x squared is a negative, so I got to bring it down to make it a positive. Then on the bottom, the y is a negative exponent, so I got to move it to the top. And then I keep the positive. And on this side, I have 4 squared, x squared. Then, you see on the bottom, I have a negative x to the negative 2, so I got to bring that up. Keep the y squared. Bring the y to the 6 up and make it positive. So on the bottom, 2 squared is remaining. So then I have 3 times 3 is 9. Then I have y squared times y to the 4th times y to the 4th. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I have y to the 10. Then on the bottom, 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x squared is x4. Then over here, 4 times 4 is 16. On the bottom's 4. Then I have x squared plus x squared, which is x to the 4th. Then I have y squared plus y times y to the 6th, so I add them and get 8. Then I'm going to multiply straight across. And I get 9 times 16 is 144. Nine times 16. Then I don't have an x over here, but I have an x over here, so I bring it down. Then y10 times y8 is y to the 18. Then on the bottom I have 4 times 4 is 16. And then x to the 4th is remaining. Now I can simplify. So I first check to see if 144 is divisible by 16, which it is, and it gives us 9, and since 144 is larger, the 9 goes on top. Then I have x to the 4th over x to the 4th. When you divide, the exponents get subtracted. So x to the 4th times x to the 4th, 4 minus 4 is 0, which is 1. Then I have y to the 18. And so 9 times 1 is just 9, y to the 18.